Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be knocking down this long grass because, as you can see, well, it hasn't been done for a while. I think it's about between 8 and 10 months it hasn't been done, so it is in dire need of a good cut. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hope you enjoy it. So the first step, as you can see, is to trim it all down, which is what my dad is doing there. We were going to use a brush cutter on it, but we just got away with just using the trimmer. Next step is to rake all the loose grass up now. As you can see, I'm raking it all onto the path so it's easier to collect. So when my dad gets here, finally, here he comes. There we go. I'll use my Darlac grabbers to quickly get rid of the cuttings. So the next step is to run the mower over the lawn now to pick up any excess grass lying about. So I'll mow it horizontally first and then vertically then afterwards on the second cut. Here I decide to give it another once over, so I'll knock it down another setting just to take it down a tad more. Another quick trim around the edge. trim any weeds off the path just to tidy it all up. Fish out these grass roots between the slabs. Finish it off then with a good blow around. Get all that grass off the pathways. Give the mower a quick clean. There we go. And there we have it, job done. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll just whiz you around here to have a look from this angle. That grass needs to come out. Again, thanks for watching. Smash that like button and I'll see you on the next video.